Exercise 15.1 Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. We are starting question 4. It's a practice session. Our question has mentioned this is a pictogram to show how many goals were scored this session. Look at the key. In key has mentioned 1 ball equals to 2 goal. So team 1 are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 5 times 2 equals to 10. And here is a half goal. 2 half means 1. It means plus 1 equals to 11. So team A 11 goal. Team B 2 plus 1 it means 3. Here is team C 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2 it's a 6 goal. And team D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means 12 goal, right? So which team scored the most goal? This is a very simple thing. Team D. Team D. How many did they score? They scored 12 goals. Which team scored the fewest goal? How many did they score? Fewest goal is team B. Team B. They scored 3 goals, right? 3 goals. Number D, how many goals were scored by team A and team B all together? So we can write this one, team A equals to, team A plus team B. Team B equals to team A means 11 plus team B means 3 and together it will be 14 goals. Write 2 questions with answer of own. So we can write like which team scored more goal than 8 goals. It's an interesting question. So we can write like this. Which 2 teams scored more than 8 goals? Answer. More than 8 goals, it means team A and team D. Team A 11, right? 11 and team D 12. Okay, so first question answer done. Second question, how many goal? We can write how many goals were scored in total by all teams. So our answer will be like here is a 11 plus 3 plus 6 plus 12. It means 11 plus 3 is a 14, 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 12 it's a 32 goals are scored all teams together. So this is our 2 question answer which we made own. So question 4 done. Question 5 of exercise 15.1. This is the bar chart. Make up your own title for it. Write your own levels and numbers on the axis. So how can we mark this one? Let's say the title is favorite fruits. It's a favorite fruits. We can write like favorite fruits. Favorite fruits. And in y-axis, we can mention the number. It means here is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here is a 14. Okay, and favorite fruits, like we can mention in vertical, it's a number, right? And in horizontal, it's a fruit's name. Suppose we can write it's an apple. Next one is like banana. We have to write this in very small size, right? So we can write it's an apple, and this one is like banana, and it can be mango. Next can be orange, and finally we can write this one grapes. Okay, so very interesting. So apple like 6%, banana like 10%, mango it's a most like 14%, and orange it's a 12, and grapes it's a 7. Okay, it's a not 7, actually this one is a 8. So this one is a 8. Now we are making our question. Write 2 questions for someone else to answer. So we have to make the question and also write the question answer. So we can write 2 questions like which fruit is liked the most. So answer, it should mango, right? Mango, it's a 14. Another one, how many people like banana and grapes together? It's another question like how many people like banana and grapes together. Answer will be 5. Banana, how many percent like? 10%, right? So answer 10 plus grapes is like 8 equals to 18 peoples. Okay, so question 5 done. Question 6, very important. Show this pictogram as a bar chart. Here is also a key. The key is 1 tree equals to 2 trees. So first week here is mentioned 3 and half. It means 3 times 2 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 2, it's a 14 tree. Third week, 1, 2 and half. It means 2 times 2 plus 1. It will be 4 plus 1, 5. Week 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 plus 1. It means 8 plus 1, 9. Week 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. times 2, it means 10. Now we have to painting trace each week. So we can draw like this way. It means first week here is a 7. So 7 can be in here, like look, in middle it's a 3, right? It's a 5, it's a 7. So first week, it means here is a 7, right? We can draw more clear. So it will be 7, right? Now we will draw 7. This is our first week. What about second week? It's a 14. I think it's the highest, right? So 14, it can be in here. Slowly you can do this one. Once you are doing in your paper, it's looking very nice. My handwriting is not so good, so please excuse me for my bad handwriting. This is a week 14. What about week 3? Week 3 is a 5. So 5 we can draw in another color. 5. 5 means in middle, right? It's a 5. This is a 5. So we can draw 5. Okay. This is a 5. 4 week. 4 week, here is a 9. 9 means it's between 10 and 8. So this is 9. And we can draw like this one. Okay. So in your exam, no need to different color. You can draw a same pencil. Just mark. Make shadow. And week 5, it's a 10. Week 5, 10. Where is 10? This is a 10. So up to here. Okay. So slowly I'm trying to solve this one. So if you want, you can forward the video and can finish. So this is our pictogram of trees chart, right? Now we will make our own question. What is the question? We can draw. Our draw has completed. Now our question 1, we can write which week had the most trees planted. We can write which week had most trees planted. Trees planted. Our answer will be, which one is the most? Week 2. Next question, we can write how many trees were planted in week 2 and 5 together. This is our own question, right? So how many trees were planted in week 2 and week 5 together? So answer will be what? Week 2 has 14, right? 14, and week 5 it's 10. Total 24. Very simple. So question 6 done.